Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Nursing Notes, and today I will discuss about M Staff Nurse exam preparation paper MCQs. So let's start the class. Question number 1. The nurse is caring for a 4-year-old patient with a diagnosis of cystic fibers and pneumonia. The child is feeling better on the third day of hospitalization and wants to play. What would be the best choice of entertainment? Option A, bowling bubbles. B, looking at picture books. C, watching videos. And D, reading a worm. The correct answer is bowling bubbles. Question number 2. A child is treated for superficial first degree thermal burns to aid the thigh. The child is in great discomfort and does not eat. Which of the following diagnoses should receive priority? Option A, alternate nutrition. Option B, impaired skin integrity. Option C, sick for infection. And option D, acute pain. The correct answer is D, acute pain. Question number 3. The nurse is assisting in the care of a client with tuberculosis. Which of the following assessment finding must necessitate an immediate report to the doctor? Option A, bowel sound are present. Option B, intermittent left lower quadrant pain. Option C, constipation alternative with diarrhea. And option D, hemoglobin 26% and hematocrit 32%. The correct answer is D, hemoglobin 26% and hematocrit 32%. Question number 4. A patient with chronic obstructive pulmonary disease COPD experiencing frequent dyspnea. Which of following exercise would teach the patient how to better control breathing? Option A, lower side ribs. Option B, segmental. Option C, pursed lips. And option D, diaphragmatics. The correct answer is C, pursed lips. Question number 5. Which of the following should the nurse do when applying gloves prior to surgical procedure? Option A, slipping glove hand with all fingers when picking up the second glove. Option B, grabbing the first glove by insert fourth finger with thumb up and underneath the cuff. Option C, putting the gloves into the dominant hand. Option D, adjust only the fitting of the gloves after both gloves on. The correct answer is D, adjust only fitting of the gloves after both gloves are on. Question number 6. Situation. You are the assist to take care of group of the patients across the lifespan. Which of the following sign and symptom would you most likely find assessing an infant with enrolled cherry malformation? Option A, weakness of the leg muscles. Loss of sensation in the legs and restlessness. Option B, difficulty swallowing, diminished or absent gag reflex and respiratory distress. Option C, difficulty sleeping, hypervigilance and an arching of the back. And option D, paradoxical irritability, diarrhea and vomiting. The correct answer is B, difficulty swallowing, diminished or absent gag reflex, respiratory distress. Question number 7. A pregnant client is receiving magnesium sulfate for the management of preeclampsia. The nurse determines that the client is experiencing toxicity for the medication if which findings are not on assessment. Selected all the apply. Option A, proteinuria of 3 plus. Option D. Second one is respiration of 10 breath per minute. Third, presence of deep tendon reflex. Fourth one, urine output of 20 ml in hour. And fifth one, serum magnesium level of 4 MEq per ml per liter. Option A 1, 4, 5. Option B 2, 3, 4. Option C 2, 4. And option D 1 and 3. The correct answer is 3. Second one, respiration of breath, and fourth one is urine output 20 ml hours. Question number 8. Which of the following statements is true about pulse? Option A young person have higher pulse than older person. B, males have higher pulse rate than females after puberty. C, disease has a positive coronary effect. And D, in lying position pulse rate is high. The correct answer is A, young person have higher pulse than older person. Question number 9. The nurse is aware that the most common indicates in the ECT. Using ECT. A, schizophrenia. B, bipolar. C, anorexia nervosa. And D, depression. The correct answer is D, depression. Question number 10. Which of the following prenatal laboratory test values would the nurse consider as significant? Option A, hematocrit 33.5%. B, rubella titter than 1/8. C, white blood cells 8000 per mmq. And D, 1 hour glucose challenge test 110 gram per deciliter. The correct answer is B, rubella titer less than 1.8. Question number 11. A client with glaucoma has been prescribed with mycotic. The nurse is aware the mycotics is for option A, constricting pupil. B, reflexing ciliary muscles. C, constricting inocular vessel. And D, paralyzing ciliary muscles. The correct answer is A, constricting pupils. Question number 12. Nurse Jones assessed vital sign on the client undergone epidural anesthesia. Which of the following would the nurse assist next? Headache, B. Bladder distance, C. Dizziness, and D. Ability to move legs. The correct answer is B. Bladder distance. Question number 13. The most important nurse action before gastrostomy feeding is option A. Check vital sign, option B. Assessing for patency of the tube, option C. Measure residual feeding, and option D. Check the placement of the tube. The correct answer is B. Assess for patency of the tube. Question number 14. The peak point of a uterine contraction is called acceleration, B. Acme, C. Deceleration, and D. Axon. The correct answer is B. Acme. Question number 15. Information in the patient chart is inadmissible in court as evidence. The client objects to its use. B. Handwriting is not illegal. C. It has too many unofficial observations. And D. The client parents refuses to use it. The correct answer is A. The client objects to its use. Thank you for watching this video, and second part is coming soon. So don't forget to subscribe the Nursing Notes, and please like this video and share this video.